You've heard us talk numerous times about the wonderful, wonderful work they do at CHI Memorial. Now they're expanding and broadening out, heading down to Ringgold, and it's getting closer and closer to opening time. We have Karen Long on the other side of the table. Karen normally brings the CHI docs here, and this is your first or second time behind the table. Why so long?
I know.
You just don't like us being up here, do you?
I love being up here with you.
And the lady here in between us is Ronelle Sellers, and you've been around town doing marketing for these folks and other great organizations for years. Good to see you both. All right, where are we right now as it pertains to CHI Memorial in Ringgold?
Well, we are just less than a month away, really, from the grand opening, and so we're ready to invite the public out for the first sneak peek. We'll have a community sneak peek on Tuesday, December the 9th, and we are so excited to have them out.
What are we going to see in the sneak peek?
You'll get to see the hospital. You'll do tours. We're going to show you the ER, the OR, imaging, where the patients will be. We're also going to have some special guests, maybe from the North Pole, visit us.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I can think of nobody more appropriate to kick off this this season. And I've driven by the facility a number of times, and every time I drive by, it's like, wow. What a treasure. What kind of feedback are you all hearing from the folks who are in and around the Ringgold area as you get closer to opening up?
It is such a beautiful campus. We hope to show the pictures of it very soon. We've shown a few on social media, so if people want to follow us, they'll be seeing that. But we were there yesterday, and it really just took my breath away.
It is such a beautiful facility from the outside. Can't wait to see what you have behind the closed doors. And we do want to stress also, it is going to be on par with the other CHI Memorial facilities as far as your health care and your access and the ease of convenience, correct?
It is, and we're bringing new services to this community. So we currently have a hospital in Fort Oglethorpe, but it's on a smaller scale, and we're limited in what we do there. But now we're going to be able to do surgery there. We're going to have endoscopy suites. So if you need a bronchoscopy, if you want a colonoscopy, services that this community has had to leave North Georgia for and come into Chattanooga, they can now get right there where they live and where they work.
You know, that makes a big difference. It's only, 20 miles from where you're going to be in Ringgold to the big memorial downtown. But still, a lot of people don't want to take that extra time, even though frequently it can be a matter of improving your life dramatically.
Yes, definitely. We keep hearing from the community. We are so excited. We want to stay here close to home, and they'll be able to do that now.
Can't blame them for that at all. No. So you're going to have guided tours, and again, most of us have seen the inside of an operating room, but not from the perspective you'll be able to see it coming up here in just a few days. I would love to be able to go down there and take a look at it.
We would love to.
Not as a patient. I just want to go in as a casual observer.
Yes.
Again, they're going to have refreshments. You're going to have a lot of things for the kids. Tell me a little more about that.
Well, we'll have cookie decorating. We have some coloring sheets. We have note cards. If anyone wants to write a note for the future patients coming, just a word of encouragement, and I'm thinking about you, and pray you get better soon. So we'll have all sorts of little activities kind of while you wait on the tour. The tours will be in small groups just so that everyone will be able to see the areas we're wanting to show them. And so if you need to wait, we'll have a little hot chocolate on the side and
maybe
note cards
the person from the North Pole who may or may not
little photo op on your way in.
On a more serious note, I want to meet some of the medical staff that's going to be taking care of us down there. Will they be on hand for that?
Absolutely. We'll have some of our new primary care physicians and some that have been in the market for a while. We'll also have several of our surgeons on hand that will be performing surgery right there at the hospital.
How's the medical team taking to this new facility? I'm sure most of them have seen it, right?
A lot of them have seen it. They are very excited as well, just to be able to offer that service there in our community.
Yeah, and imagine, it's a totally clean slate. I can't imagine the excitement that's going on in your office and all throughout the medical community. Do you have an official opening day for the hospital yet, or is it still kind of fluid?
We sure do. It's Sunday, January the 11th, 2026.
And that's when all services will be available there.
That's correct. Yes.
And if you're a patient at any of the medical offices at CHI Memorial's main campus, it's just as easy to go there.
Just as easy, that's right.
Can't wait. Can't wait. All right, again, the sneak peeks coming up December 9th from 4 until 7. Do we need to make a reservation or throw our name in the hat?
No,
just show up.
up.
And the parking is free.
It is free.
How often do you hear that? Anyway, the parking is free. You get to meet Karen and you get to meet Ronelle and a whole bunch of folks. Ladies, good to see you both.
So good to see you.
So glad we're
Thanks for
finally
having
at
us.
this milestone. Stick around. We're back with more of News 12 this morning and of Let's Chat right after this.